Hello, my name is Tassio, and today I'm gonna walk through my whiteboard here. Uh, I put the, the table first so we can see uh, what kind of data set we have here. So basically, we have a data set that includes study hours, which is how many hours the student studied, attendance, whether they attend the class or no, which is 0, 1 for yes and 0 for no, and pass exam, our target variable, is the outcome we want to predict. So it's 1 for pass, 0 for fail. But first, let's let's talk about what is a decision tree. It's important to know exactly what it is. So a decision tree is a supervised learning model that can make predictions by splitting the data set into smaller and more specific groups. Each split is based on a condition related to a feature. The goal is to create groups that are as poor as possible, so it's so clear as possible, meaning that each group mostly contains either pass or fail outcomes. So now I'm gonna draw a very simple decision tree. So let me make this orange rectangle, and the question mark is the question you want to answer, and the data lines and the other smaller rectangles are the condition we are setting up so we can proceed to the next step. Let me do this, and okay, good. Now I'm gonna write so we can understand. So you can have a choice, right? You can have an argument here, and then it can be yes or no. This way you know which path to follow after you decide. And if you decide here as yes, then it's the correct way you're going. So I'm just gonna put this here. Okay, now let's set our goal for our whiteboard. I'm gonna put goal, and we're gonna basically, it's very simple, just as I just told you. We're gonna split the data to best separate best exam. So split the data to best separate best exam. Good. So this is our main goal, and put it here. And of course, the condition is 0 and 1, or 1 and 0. So 1 passed, 0 failed. Okay. So first, let's try to split on study hours. So let's test the condition. So I'm gonna put if study hours is less than 6, then, well, predict fail. We're gonna predict that it fails, right? Let me put best here, equals better. Okay, so let's predict that it fail. Now, if the study hours it's equal or greater than 6, then of course will predict that he will pass. Now let's go back to our tree and let's put let's put to the test what we just figure it out. So study hours, if the study hours it's less than 6, we will have like the two conditions, or basically two conditions. So I'm gonna put this up here. Oops. Yeah, I'm gonna put the no, and in the right hand side I'm gonna put the yes. Doesn't matter the position, just so if it's clear for you, then it's good. So we have two conditions, no and yes. The color is good. If it's yes, of course, he passed. If it's no, he failed. So that's the idea behind it. And for the final thought, I like to use like phrases of impact. You understand? So we can memorize what's the concept. So I can put decision trees are or is basic for split data by asking the best questions based on the features. That's the most simple idea behind decision trees. That is why it's so effective and it's so important to study decision trees. This was my whiteboard. I hope you guys liked, and I see you guys in the next one.